This is the Daily Market Comment by Raf Boyatian. I'm Christina Marujas, and thank you for joining us here at XM.com. The Federal Reserve pledged on Wednesday to keep buying bonds at the existing pace of $120 billion per month. However, the central bank for the first time tied the time frame for its purchases to economic conditions, as it promised to maintain that pace until substantial further progress has been made towards its maximum employment and inflation goals. The decision disappointed some who had been expecting the Fed to take a more aggressive stance against the current weakening economic backdrop. The US dollar initially shot higher along with 10-year Treasury yields. However, a few soothing words from the Fed chief soon put a stop to all that, and the dollar came back crashing down. Chair Powell attempted to balance the optimistic medium-term forecasts with a somewhat more downbeat assessment of the near-term prospects for the economy. More significantly, Powell kept the door open to both the possibilities of increasing the size of asset purchases as well as buying more longer-dated bonds. The dollar index slid to a 32-month low today, suggesting investors were satisfied with Powell's dovish talk. The dollar's broad-based sell-off meant all other currencies were winners on Thursday. Cable has its sights set on the $136 level as Britain and the European Union make progress in their negotiations to reach a post-Brexit trade deal before the transition period ends on December 31st. While the two sides reportedly now see a landing zone for an agreement on a level playing field, difficulties over fisheries are likely to drag the talks into the weekend. The euro also scaled new highs on Thursday, extending its gains above the $122 level. The mood elsewhere was buoyant too, as equities were lifted from growing signs that U.S. lawmakers are close to striking a deal on a new virus relief bill. Wall Street indices, with the exception of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, closed at record highs on Wednesday, and equity futures were pointing to a positive start for today. European shares were also up, along with major commodity prices, boosting the Aussie and Kiwi. The Australian dollar was additionally bolstered by a stronger than expected employment figures out of Australia today. The New Zealand dollar also celebrated upbeat data and is climbing to more than 2.5-year highs following a strong GDP report and the Fed's decision. Thank you for watching today's Daily Market Comment here at XM.com.